What do I eat now? A step-by-step guide to eating right with type 2 diabetes. Any person diagnosed with diabetes has one simple question: what do I eat now? When diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, doctors typically tell their patients to start eating healthy. But what does that mean? If figuring out what to eat seems like taking a test, here's the solution. The American Diabetes Association book, What Do I Eat Now?, written in clear, concise, and down-to-earth language that takes the mystery out of confusing nutrition recommendations. This indispensable guide can help readers make lasting changes in as little as a month. In only 4 weeks, readers can eat better, improve their diabetes management, and live a healthier lifestyle. With What Do I Eat Now?, readers will be able to start off fast, quickly turn their diet around. Do it right, learn what to eat and when. Cut to the chase, follow easy, straightforward advice from diabetes experts. Leave confusion behind, learn essential nutrition tips every day. For those simply looking to be told what to eat, What Do I Eat Now? Has everything needed to take the guesswork out of healthy meal planning. Start eating better today. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.